Why should you consider partying on a budget? Well, we all love to have fun and enjoy a night out, but it can get expensive quickly. By learning how to party on a budget, you can stretch your dollar further and enjoy more experiences. Plus, who doesn't love the challenge of finding the best deals and making the most out of every dollar? Welcome back to Romanific, your ultimate guide to living life to the fullest. Today we're diving into an exciting topic: how to party on a budget. We're going to cover the best places to go and share some incredible tips and tricks to help you have an amazing time without breaking the bank. Let's get the party started. Number 1, New Orleans, Louisiana. Known for its lively music scene and festive atmosphere, New Orleans is a fantastic place to party on a budget. The French Quarter offers a plethora of bars with no cover charges, and you can enjoy live jazz music for free. Don't miss out on the famous Bourbon Street. Number 2, Austin, Texas. Austin is the live music capital of the world, and it's full of budget-friendly bars and music venues. 6th Street is the go-to spot for an affordable night out, with numerous bars offering happy hour specials and cheap drinks. Number 3, Las Vegas, Nevada. While Vegas might seem like an expensive option, there are plenty of ways to enjoy Sin City on a budget. Many casinos offer free drinks while you're playing, and you can find affordable shows and attractions with a bit of research. Number 4, Berlin, Germany. Berlin is famous for its nightlife and has a plethora of budget-friendly clubs and bars. Many clubs have low cover charges, and the city is known for its affordable beer. Plus, the public transportation system makes it easy to get around without spending too much. Number 5, Bangkok, Thailand. Bangkok offers an incredible nightlife experience at a fraction of the cost you'd find in Western cities. From rooftop bars to night markets, you can enjoy a night out without breaking the bank. Khao San Road is a must-visit for budget travelers. Now, let's talk about some tips and tricks to help you party on a budget, no matter where you are. Tip number 1, pre-drink before heading out. One of the easiest ways to save money is to have a few drinks at home before heading out. Alcohol at bars and clubs can be expensive, so start the night with a small gathering at home or at a friend's place. Tip number 2, look for happy hour deals. Happy hours are your best friend when it comes to budget partying. Many bars and restaurants offer significant discounts on drinks and food during specific hours. Plan your night around these deals to save money. Tip number 3, use discount apps and websites. There are plenty of apps and websites designed to help you find the best deals on nightlife activities. Apps like Groupon and Eventbrite often have discounts on events, parties, and bar specials. Tip number 4, share costs with friends. Splitting the cost of rides, drinks, and even accommodations with friends can significantly reduce your expenses. Plus, partying with friends is always more fun. number 5, take advantage of free events. Keep an eye out for free events in your city. Many places host free concerts, festivals, and parties, especially during the summer months. These events can be just as fun as paid ones and won't cost you a dime. Tip number 6, choose budget-friendly transport. Opt for public transportation or ride sharing instead of expensive taxis. If you're in a city with good public transit, it's a great way to save money. Alternatively, consider walking if your destinations are close by. Tip number 7, eat before you go out. To avoid spending too much on food while you're out, have a meal at home before you leave. This way, you'll only need to budget for drinks and entry fees. Tip number 8, cash over, cards. Bring cash with you instead of relying on your card. This helps you stick to a budget and avoid overspending. Once your cash is gone, you'll know it's time to head home. Tip number 9, follow your favorite venues on social media. Venues often post about special deals and events on their social media pages. By following them, you can stay in the loop and take advantage of any promotions. Tip number 10, make use of student discounts. If you're a student, always carry your student ID. Many places offer student discounts, which can help you save on entry fees and drinks. The best way to party on a budget is to host your own event. Here are some DIY party ideas that are fun and affordable. Number 1, potluck party. Invite your friends over and ask everyone to bring a dish. This way, you can enjoy a variety of foods without spending too much. It's a great way to try new dishes and share the cost. Number 2, themed party nights. Choose a theme and have everyone dress up. Whether it's a 90s throwback, tropical luau, or a movie marathon, themed parties are always a hit and can be done on a budget. Number 3, game night. Host a game night with board games, card games, or video games. Ask your friends to bring their favorite games and snacks. It's a fun and inexpensive way to spend an evening. Number 4, BYOB party. Have a bring your own bottle party where everyone brings their own drinks. This way, you don't have to supply all the alcohol and everyone gets to drink what they like. Number 5, outdoor picnic. If the weather is nice, have an outdoor picnic. Find a local park, bring some blankets, snacks, and drinks, and enjoy a fun and relaxing time with friends. Number 6, karaoke night. Set up a karaoke machine or use a karaoke app and have a singing competition. It's a great way to have fun and let loose without spending a lot of money. If you love to travel and party, here are some tips to help you do both without spending a fortune. Number 1, off-peak travel to save on flights and accommodations. Prices are often lower and popular destinations are less crowded. Number 2, hostels and budget. Accommodations stay in hostels or budget accommodations. Many hostels have bars and social events, making them a great place to meet other travelers and party. Number 3, couch surfing. Consider using couch surfing to stay with locals for free. It's a great way to save money on accommodations and get insider tips on the best budget-friendly places to party. Number 4, you can use public transportation instead of taxis or ride shares. It's usually much cheaper and gives you a chance to experience the local culture. Number 5, local happy hours. Research local happy hours and drink specials before you go out. Many places offer significant discounts during certain hours. Number 6, free walking tours. Join free walking tours to get a feel for the city and learn about the best places to go. These tours are often run by locals who can give you great budget tips. And there you have it, our ultimate guide to partying on a budget. Whether you're at home or traveling, there are plenty of ways to have a fantastic time without spending a fortune. Remember, it's all about being smart with your money, finding the best deals, and making the most of every moment. Thanks for watching Romanific. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment with your favorite budget party tips, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Until next time, keep partying smart and living your best life. Stay tuned for more adventures and tips. Catch you in the next video.